Welcome friends to the channel. Before beginning today's video, we want to ask you a question. Do you think if food leftovers can be avoided? Definitely you will answer in a no. Almost always we cook food in quantities more than that can be consumed that day. And later, that extra food ends up in refrigerator and is heated up the next day and served in breakfast or even lunch. So it is quite inevitable that leftovers cannot be avoided. However, it is also equally necessary for you to know that leftovers can be a perfect recipe for food poisoning. Experts say that it must be kept in mind what leftover food is fit for consumption and what is not. According to Food Standards Agency, healthy eating comprises of these 4 C's. Cooking, cleaning, chilling and cross-contamination. If you are reheating leftover, take care to never reheat it twice. This video will also elaborate on 3 leftover foods that must never be reheated for consumption if you are not seeking a doctor's appointment. First in the list are leftover rice. Do you know that eating leftover rice after heating can cause diarrhea and vomiting? The practice of microwaving leftover rice for breakfast or lunch next day is common to most households. But if rice are not stored at the right temperature or are not heated up thoroughly before eating, then can risk your health by causing indigestion. Next in the list are leftover vegetables. The way you are storing leftover vegetables can impact your health in great ways. Nitrate compound found in leafy vegetables, if left at room temperature, can trigger bacterial action and increase the nitrate quantity in the food, which can cause blood disorders in infants and children. Another such food ingredient is vegetable oil. According to experts, if a food cooked in vegetable oil is reheated, then its consumption can multiply the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cancer. A recent study testifies that if polyunsaturated oil of corn, soybean, canola, and sunflower, which contain linoleic acid, are reheated, then they release a poisonous compound that can cause many health disorders. So friends, avoid eating these leftover food to avoid seeing a doctor. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.